Samodevilla, Getty. Former President Donald Trump is running for president again. A near-inevitable development which nevertheless feels a bit surreal, in marked contrast to his last note. However, this time Trump's viability within his own party is an open question. Gone is the 2020 unity behind a sitting president. The willingness to do without a real primary race or party-sponsored debates or even a platform beyond whatever came out of Trump's mouth. My New York Times Brit Stevens has declared Trump finally finished, while conservative writer Kevin Williamson, in the same pages, makes the case the former president remains the leader of the Republican Party and could win again. Either forecast could easily prove correct. 3. Some reasonably compelling challengers. Say, Florida Gov. Ron DeSantis. As is widely anticipated, the question which will decide Trump's fate in the GOP primaries is how DVDS Republican voters want to pull the Libs. Read more at the Daily Beast.